What's up, YouTube? Got this 2010 Nissan Altima. Today we're removing the CVT transmission, front wheel drive. Got our axles out, lower control arms, tie rod out. Ready to pull. Axle on this side is out. Got our chain hooked up, ground is off, all our plugs. So we are going to be removing it from up top. People say it's hard from up top, but the only struggle I'm having right now is the torque converter getting stuck, which is a common one removing the Nissan Altima transmission. But yeah, we'll get this done soon.